Good day everyone, we are the group 3 and today we are here to help you in solving 2 basic computer troubleshooting issues. Don't worry, this is very basic and easy so you can easily follow these steps. Today, we will be teaching and guiding you, so all you need to do is to watch, listen, and follow. We will teach you 2 different tutorials, which is how to retrieve an unsaved file in the Microsoft Word and how to fix your computer if a portion of your RAM is not being used. But before we proceed in fixing these, we should first know the definition of the word computer troubleshooting.
Computer troubleshooting is the process of identifying and fixing issues with your hardware, software, or connectivity using a computer. It is also a form of problem solving, often applied to repair failed products or processes on a machine or a system. And lastly, it is a logical, systematic search for the source of a problem in order to solve it and make the product or process operational again. Now, let us proceed to our first tutorial for today. Alright, let's start. The first tutorial that we are going to discuss is about how to recover a file if ever you accidentally click the X button or if something happened that caused you to exit MS Word without saving the file. After turning on your computer, the first thing that you need to do is the most basic of them all, which is to open the Office application that you were using. Next, open a new file or any existing file, then click the File tab. The second thing that you need to do is to click the Info, then click the Manage Versions. After clicking the Manage Versions, you would able to see the Click Recover Unsaved Files. If you can, all you need to do is to click it. Then, you will see the list of your unsaved files. After that, select the file and then click Open. Lastly, in the business bar at the top of the file, click Save As to save your file to your computer. Then voila! You already recovered your lost file.
To the second topic that we are about to discuss in this tutorial video, which is how to troubleshoot your PC if it does not use a portion of RAM. Sometimes your PC may not use a portion of RAM. For example, you may have 4 GB of RAM but your PC only uses 2 GB when you check it from the Task Manager. This is usually a Windows setting issue. However, note to self that if only a few MB of RAM isn't being utilized, like 200 to 400 MB, then it's probably being used by PC hardware and you can't do anything about it. Now, let us go back to the main problem. The solution to this problem is actually very simple. If Windows have been configured to only use a portion of the RAM, here is how to fix it. The first thing that you need to do is to press Windows plus R keys and type msconfig in the Run dialog to open System Configurations. Secondly, you need to move to Boot tab and click on Advanced Options. Now, check the checkbox that is located next to Maximum Memory and enter the maximum amount of RAM that you have installed. If you are done with the following instructions, then click OK and restart the PC to let it take effect. Here's one good to know fact about this troubleshoot video. While you are at it, you should also check the checkbox next to Number of Processors option and ensure that your PC is utilizing all the CPU cores as well. Then, set it to the maximum number if you want to use all of the CPU power. It's additional info time! So, for other troubleshooting of RAM, here are the following steps that you need to follow. First, turn off your computer properly and then remove the RAM. After that, all you need to do is to get a brush and gently brush it into both sides of RAM to remove the dust or dirt, and then get an eraser and rub it at the gold-plated side of the RAM. Make sure to rub it only on the gold-plated. Put a little force to remove the rust, dirt, and etc. that can cause the RAM to malfunction. After that, brush both sides of the RAM again. Put back the RAM and turn on your computer.